Are you tired of your monotonous 9-5 job, the rigid schedules, the capped salaries, the endless hours spent commuting? Freelancing invites you to a world of flexibility, limitless income potential, and time freedom. What if you could escape this routine and earn more while working less? Take action now and step into a life of freedom and choice. For more information, click the link below. Imagine the freedom of being a social rep live chat agent. This role offers a unique blend of flexibility and earning potential. As a social rep live chat agent, you have the power to choose your hours, without the confines of a fixed schedule. This isn't just a side hustle, it's a lifestyle choice. With as little as 3 hours of work, you could be pocketing $200 a day. All while lending a virtual hand and making connections, you can be in control of your time and income. Think about this, why stay chained to a 9-5 when you can break free with freelancing? As a social rep live chat agent, you're the master of your time. No fixed schedules, only the freedom to work as you please. Imagine earning up to $200 a day, putting in no more than 3 hours of work. Picture folks like you thriving, setting their own pace, and reaping the rewards. Your 9-5 job doesn't have to be the only way. With freelancing as a social rep live chat agent, you can redefine your work-life balance. It's time to take the leap. Imagine the freedom, the flexibility, and the potential to make $200 a day with just 3 hours of work. Start your journey as a social rep live chat agent. Don't wait for the perfect moment, take the moment and make it perfect. Start your journey as a social rep live chat agent today.